Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Galuh Aida Duyana Putri, the student ID 230204088. And now I will do my teaching practice for SED in language learning. Happy watching!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Thanks for asking. How was your weekend, everyone?
Good.
Okay, so before we start class today, let's pray together. Please, Anja, lead the pray. Okay, thank you, Anja. And I will check your attendance first. Who's absent today? Anja. Anja, okay. That's all, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay guys, so today we're going to learn about report text. Can you see the screen?
Yeah. Okay, and now we're going to learn about Indonesian famous places. Okay, so by the end of this lesson, you are expected to be able to analyze and then identify the structure, language feature of report text.
Have you ever visit some famous places in Indonesia?
Yes.
What is it?
Candi
Can you mention it? Candi Borobudur, and then what else? Candi Prambanan and Monas. Okay, that's also considered as Indonesian famous place.
And now, before we jump into our material, I want you to scan this barcode first. Already in the Slido website. Yes, yes. Okay. And now please also take a look at this picture first.
So here is the Monas, and then there's also Candi Borobudur, and what is it?
Raja Ampat.
Okay, great, Najwa, Raja Ampat. And then in the Slido, there's a question: have you ever visited these places? Okay, and then the next question: what Indonesian famous place do you know, everyone? So here the example: there's Borobudur, and maybe you can try to type in the Slido what Indonesian famous place that you know.
Karimun Jawa, okay. And then Malioboro, okay. Is there any other answer? Sewu, okay. And there's also Bali, okay. That's all of these places is considered as Indonesian famous places.
To the next question: how can we explain those places to others, especially tourists? So imagine you as a tour guide, and then there's a tourist that asks you about these places, and how can you explain those places to others? Okay, Tanah has beautiful panoramic scenery near the beach.
Okay, that's great. So we can, explain about the place, about the location, and also the unique of the place.
Okay, I think that's all for the slideshow. And now we're going back to the material. Thank you very much for joining the slideshow session. And now please take a look at this material, this slide. So what is report text, everyone? Can everyone read the sentence? Who wants to read the sentence? Okay, I see. Okay, so report text is a type that gives factual information about the general topic. It describes things like animals, places, or phenomena. And the social function is to describe something in general. Okay.
That's great. So when we want to explain something to others, especially in general information, so we can use report text. So report text is like a text that gives factual information about general topic. So it's not a specific topic, because if we describe something in specific way, it is belong to the descriptive text.
Okay, and the structure of report text, there are two main structures. The first one is general classification. So in this structure, we introduce the topic. We introduce the topic first, and then after that, it follows with description, which is that gives factual details about parts, habits, or features.
For the language features, who want to read the language feature here? Okay, Gia, go ahead.
Feature is use of general nouns like animal, building, animals, and use of simple present tense. Use of linking verbs is our have, and use of technical terms like conservation, ecosystem,
these are the language features of report text. So we can use general nouns such as island, building, animal, and so on. And we also need to use simple present tense. And we also use the linking verbs, for example, like is, are, have, and so on. And the last one, use of technical terms, which is conservation, ecosystem, biodiversity, and so on.
Okay everyone, now I have the example of our report text. It's entitled Komodo Island, and this text has 2 paragraphs. So can you read the first and second paragraph? Want to read the first paragraph? Okay, Anja. Okay, thank you Anja. And for the second paragraph, want to read the second paragraph? Can I have Balkis? Okay, yes.
Komodo Islands are actively
Okay, thank you Balkis for reading the text to us. Okay, now we are going to do a group activity. So have you received the link that I have give you in the WhatsApp group? The Google Docs link? Yes, please. Okay.
Okay everyone, so now please analyze and then highlight the structure and language features of report text provided. And I will divide you into some groups, so that there will be 3 groups here. So maybe this line will be group 1, and then Anja IC will be group 2, and Kira will be group 3. And so for the group 1, we'll analyze the structure, and the group 2 will analyze the language features, which is the general nouns and simple present tense. And group 3 will analyze the language features. And for each group, has to use different color when doing the highlighting activity. So you have to highlight, for example, like maybe the
Structure, so you can highlight this sentence as the general identification, and then the rest of it will be the description. Okay, got it everyone? Got it. Okay, I give you 15 minutes to do this activity, and then after that we will discuss it together.
Any difficulties? No ma'am, it's easy. Okay. What about you, Najwa? Yeah. Okay. Hello, Daisy. Have you found any difficulties?
Everything's fine.
It's fine. Okay.
You done everyone? Okay, so we will discuss together. Okay, so please group 1, can you tell us about your answer?
For the general classification is starting from part up to 3 meters and is a formidable predator. And then for the description part is starting from the island's rock terrain until conserved.
Okay, that's great. Give applause to group 1. For group 2, can you tell us about your answer?
Okay, so our question is to identify general nouns and simple present tense. For general nouns, we have Komodo Island, Komodo Dragon, Island Ecosystem, Researcher, Species, Biodiversity, Conservation Program, Studies, Flora and Fauna. And for simple present tense, we have Komodo Island is renowned, the Komodo Dragon can grow ecosystem, create, studies focus, Researcher investigates, program aim, destination emphasize.
Okay, thank you group 2. Please give applause to group 2. Okay, group 3, please tell us your answer.
Okay, so we need to find the linking verbs and technical terms. The linking verbs that we found is renowned, is a formidable predator, okay, has become a fetal site, okay. And then for technical terms, we found Paratus Komodoensis, ecosystems, conservation initiative, genetics, biodiversity, invasive species, UNESCO World Heritage Site, ecological impact, non-native species, and flora and fauna.
Okay, thank you group 3. So all of you have understand the material correctly, and now we're going to do a short quiz. Yay. So please go to the quizwizard.com, or maybe you can click the link that I have sent to you.
Okay, everyone, please, you can scan this code. Then you will directly go to the quizmaster.com and play the game together. Okay? Okay.
Okay, also take a look at this map here, everyone. So here we have Kira. So Kira is already in the 15, and then there is Gigi with Gigi. Yes, yes.
Okay, have you finished, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay, how does it feel, everyone? Is it fun? Okay, thank you everyone for joining this game, and I think that's all for our material today. And for your next meeting, we will still discuss about report text, but you're going to make your own report text, and then please choose your topic first for the next meeting about some places in Indonesia. Maybe you can choose one of them. For example, you may choose Monas, or maybe you can choose Borobudur. It's up to you. And then after that, also plan your report text topic, and then there's general classification and description. So that's you can also directly write in the next meeting to make your own report text. Okay, got it, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much. And what did we learn for today's meeting, everyone? We learned about the famous places in Indonesia. Okay, great job, everyone. So thank you for your attention, and see you next week. Bye bye. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, today. I'm fine too. Thanks for asking.
Today we will continue our material from the last meeting. So in the today's material, we're going to make our own report text. So you will make your own report text individually.
So by the end of the lesson, you are expected to be able to create your own report text using the appropriate language features, structure, and also the purpose.
Okay, so for the today's material, today's activity, you will write your own report text, so 2 paragraphs minimum about the famous place in Indonesia, and you have to use the structure and language features that we have learned before. And remember to include the general classification and description, and use simple present tense. And last one, write facts, not opinions. Okay?
Okay, and for this activity, we will not create our own report text in the paper. We won't do that. Instead of that, we will use a Blogger website. Are you familiar with Blogger? No. Really? No. So you can go to the blogger.com. Please go to the website called blogger.com, and in the website you can publish everything you want. So you can create text, maybe a story, and maybe you want to share about your experience. You can publish your text through blogger.com.
And after you go to the blogger.com, please log in to this account. This is the account, and the password is 123 123. Okay, everyone. So you have already in Blogger, right? Yes. And now, please, you may create your own report text. You can click the postingan baru here, and then after that, you can write your own report text there. Okay? I will give you 40 minutes to create your own report text, and then after that, you can publish your own report text if you have already finished your task. Have you done, everyone?
Yes.
You really did a great job. So I can see all of your work here. So there's Kartini Beach, and then Tanah Potato, and Marco. That's really great. You make this report text.
Yeah.
time is up. That's all for our meeting today. What did you learn for today, everyone?
We learned about report text.
Okay, so you have already made your own report text and then publish your own report text in a blogger. That's a really great job. I think that's all for today's meeting. Thank you very much for your attention and cooperation. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you. I think that's all for my teaching practice. Thank you very much for your attention. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.